So photographers, if you haven't had the opportunity to participate in a PPA workshop, I highly encourage you to take advantage of what may be available to you in your area. First, there's a great community that you're able to build right out of the gate with the other participants that are in class with you. You can take not only your knowledge home, but the support and encouragement, and sometimes the kick in the pants that you need from other people who are having that shared experience. Undoubtedly, there's an incredible educator who's offering something that you may not have ever even thought of exploring before. It's a great opportunity to learn a little something about a genre that's not already in your wheelhouse. Because as this industry grows, we all grow, and you can't imagine what's out there and just ready for you to participate in. So I highly encourage you to find a workshop in your area, sign up, go learn, go build a new community, and take advantage of all the resources that PPA has available for us.